Have you ever met someone who just has it? You don't know why, but you feel drawn to them. That magnetic energy, you can actually build it. Once I figured out how to create that vibe, I went from a shy and awkward foreign kid to someone who can make people laugh and actually enjoy being social. I'm gonna show you 3 simple habits that will get people literally addicted to you and your energy. Start every interaction with a positive energy. No matter who it is, treat everyone like someone you've known for a long time. When you go in with that approach, the way that you interact is so much more warm and friendly. It brings the other person's guard down, and it makes it so much easier for you and that other person to connect. So the way I do this, I smile. I make eye contact. If it's someone I've never met before, I introduce myself. Like, hey, I'm Carl. I don't think I've met you yet. What's your name? Every time I talk to cashiers or baristas, I treat them like a friend. Hey, how are you? How's work? That usually opens up a conversation 9 out of 10 times. Not all the time it's gonna work, but you initiating with a warm and positive energy at the beginning of every interaction you have will net you a positive reaction back from most people that you interact with. Find something very specific about a person and give them a compliment. Hey, your hairstyle is pretty cool. If somebody did their nails, I know nothing about nails, but I can tell if someone put a lot of effort into it because it's different. I can tell they're proud of it. I bring it up. Hey, your nails are dope. I love the color that you chose. That makes you so much more warm and charismatic. People don't really remember what you say, but people do remember how they felt when they interact around you. If you can always give people a positive feeling when they're interacting with you, it will make people love being around you. Don't take yourself so seriously. Relax, be comfortable. Allow yourself to have fun. Make jokes that amuse you. Be more expressive. A lot of people think that trying to be too cool or nonchalant and not showing any emotions is what makes them more likable. Actually, that does the opposite. If you think something is funny, laugh. Laugh as hard as you can. Use your arms to tell stories and be more animated. Actually show that you feel something. It makes you so much more likable because it makes other people feel comfortable. They feel good around you. That's the type of energy that is so addicting to be around. Give yourself permission to make bad jokes. Give yourself permission to be weird or awkward. The goal is for everyone to be having fun, not to make someone feel uncomfortable. Playful people are easy to be around. You feel like you can be yourself. You feel like you can have fun. This also boosts your confidence because you look relaxed. You know how to have fun. And it makes you more friendly and charismatic. Be authentically you. Trying too hard to be someone that you're not in order to be likable is the fastest way to become unlikable. The most magnetic people, they are authentically themselves. They're not perfect. They're awkward sometimes. They make mistakes. If you have a passion for Pokemon cards or Yu-Gi-Oh cards or something that you think is weird, don't hide it just because you think that people won't like you. Another way to be authentic is to admit when you don't know something. It's an extremely attractive quality that shows that you're real. You're not a robot. You're not a computer. You're human, and that makes you relatable. And people love being around people that they feel like they can relate to. Don't be afraid to share something a little bit vulnerable. Example, you're at a party. Don't be afraid to admit that, like, hey, honestly, I still get nervous when I talk to people. When you're real with other people, it gives them the space and the feeling that they can also be real with you. As long as you're in the right energy and in the right mindset, you'll be surprised that a lot of your conversations and interactions with other people will feel so much more natural and energizing. And before you know it, you will actually be enjoying your social interactions. Real confidence isn't about being the loudest person in the room. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Being authentic takes a lot of energy. So surround yourself with people who are also real with you. If you ever find yourself in a conversation where it's always one-sided, It's okay to walk away. This isn't about being fake or trying to be liked. It's about creating a space where everyone, including you, can feel safe to be themselves. If you ever meet someone who shows the same genuine interest and listens to you, stick to that person. Those are your people. Do this with everyone, not just the people that you are attracted to. One of the biggest mistakes I used to make, saving all my good energy and effort only to the people that I was trying to impress. It came off weird, forced, and honestly, it was kind of lame. But when you're playful, you're warm, and you're real with everyone, it becomes a habit. When that one person that you really like finally comes in, you won't have to perform. You're already in your zone. Because being likable isn't about being impressive. It's about making people feel safe, seen, and good around you. My name is Carl. If this video helped you at all, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Send this to someone who you think will benefit also. I'll see you guys on the next one. Welcome back. Today we're clapping cheeks.
My boy.